I'm just over here walking and shit. I thought that I saw a vending machine this morning. It's not a vending machine. What the heck? I swear, man. I was over there throwing the trash all morning and I saw this in the dark. I thought it was a vending machine. What the hell? What the heck is this? Somebody made a little home. This is actually pretty nice though. Look, they made it with love. I guess, you know, so the wind doesn't come in. I guess. Some gloves. I don't think I want these. Pick up your trash. Try to get back to work now. That was fun. See? Does that not look like a vending machine? There would be a guy standing in the middle selling me something. Or a fortune teller stand. That shit was fucking with my mind all morning, you guys. Especially in the dark. That was crazy. Oh, my back. Oh my god, my back. I'm an old man. I should have knocked that shit over.